Center Lengaki Senthang Makhada Paikhatkadouri Vibrant Village Program Phase 2 da Manipuri oina Indo-Myanmar Ngamkhei ga thangnaba Khung-Gang Sing masak khangdoktuna Chaokhat Thouranggi Thabak Paikhatpa Haugadouri Thourang asina kumja lising ani nifuga taret paubagi manungda Chaokhatpa India Biksit Bharat ki thamliba manglan mangfaung nargani haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Phongdokre ngasi Manipur lenga ki Planning Department aselaga Vibrant Village Program Phase 2 gi matangda Hotel Imphal da pangtokpa nongmagi oiba workshop amada wafamasi mahakna phongdokhibani Thouramadda Manipur lenga ki Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel IGAR South amadi Major General Gaurav Sharma Home Department के Commissioner, Assam Rifles के Sector Commandant, Kamjong, Ukhrul, Churachandpur, Tengnopal, Amadi Chandel District की Deputy Commissioner Singh Amadi Senior District Officer Kayasu Sarukia की Thouranggi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai BHP Phase 2 C Center Lengakna Paikhalakpa International Border ga Tainaba Leiba Khung-Gang Sing masak thokna Chaokhat hanbaga loinana border gi area sing safaba amadi mapangal kangkhat hananabagi thaushil amani program asigi manung chana Manipur gi district manga konsinduna Chaokhat Thouranggi Thabak sing paikhalakadaba asigidamak Union Home Minister Amit Sahabu hainingai leitana thagatpa phongdokli program asigi manung chana infrastructure development connectivity amadi livelihood generation gi thabak thoramda khumang chausin mangamlagani haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana makhatana phongdoki panba yabadi Manipur yauna state amasung union territory taragataret ki international border ga tainaba khul sing semgatnaba Vibrant Village Program 2 BHP 2 gi makhada center na lupa koti lising taruka chanipan kuntra ga mapan gi senfam ayaba piri haina Ministry of Home Affairs ki Union Minister of State Nityainan Raina haukiba tangkun ga mangada famba Rajya Sabha gi mifamda phongdokpa laikrabani.
The BHP2 is a transformative initiative to government of India designed to develop strategic and important villages near our international border by improving the quality of life in this area across 17 states, including Manipur. The aim of this initiative to make our borders safe and strong as part of the Biksit Bharat 2047. My heartfelt gratitude to Amit Saji, Honorable Home Minister, for the inclusive 5 strategic districts in Manipur, Tengnopal, Kamjong, Chandel and Churachandpur under this program. This thoughtful initiative reflects visionary leadership and deep commitments to empowering borders. Our states share a long international land border with Myanmar. A total of 143 villages were identified by the Ministry of Home Affairs under the Vibrant Village Program 2 and the same were vetted by the Deputy Commissioner. These villages will receive enhanced infrastructure and services aiming to give border residents opportunity to grow in prosperity and wealth. Because